Hi guys, rise and shine. This is everything I eat in a day while intermittent fasting. If you're wondering, fasting to suna hai, but what is intermittent fasting? Well, it's simply eating in a time window and fasting for the rest. I do the 16-8 method, which means I fast for 16 hours and eat in an 8-hour window. So my eating window is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Right now, it's still morning, so no food yet. But water? Lots and lots of it. Okay, it's finally 10 a.m. and my stomach is like, feed me. So I'm starting my eating window with something light but super nutritious. I'm having Greek yogurt with berries, nuts, and chia seeds. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And bonus, it keeps me full for hours. Lunchtime. So my goal during intermittent fasting is to eat nutrient-dense foods that keeps me fueled. Today I'm having millets khichdi and some veggies. It's got everything: protein, fiber, and complex carbs. Also, fun fact, eating high-protein meals during your eating window helps with muscle retention and keeps you from feeling like a hangry monster later. For snacks, my absolute go-to is a bowl of fruits with a pinch of chaat masala. It's got everything, a perfect bowl of deliciousness. So for my final meal, I'm keeping it light but wholesome. I'm having dal, grilled paneer, karele ki sabzi and roti, my all-time comfort food. Okay, I'm done eating until tomorrow. So no midnight snacks, no sneaky bites, just water and green tea if I need it. And that was the end of my intermittent fasting routine. And it's honestly so doable once you get used to it. And the benefits? Better digestion, more energy, and no constant snacking. Let me know if you want to try it.